On August 16, 2024, at 1:15 p.m. local time, the ground shook near the city of Salamiya, Syria. A magnitude 4.8 earthquake rattled the region, spreading across cities like Hama and Homs, and even reaching parts of Lebanon. But what caused this quake, and how significant was it? Today we'll break down the science behind the event and understand how earthquakes like this can occur. This earthquake originated just 10 kilometers near of Salamiya. In the Hama province. It struck at a shallow depth of 10 kilometers beneath the surface. Shallow earthquakes like this one tend to produce more noticeable shaking, even with a relatively moderate magnitude. While this quake wasn't massive, a 4.8 magnitude tremor can still be widely felt, especially in densely populated areas like this. According to initial reports, it was felt in nearby cities including Hama, Homs, and as far as Beirut in Lebanon, over 195 kilometers away. So, why did this earthquake happen? Syria is located near the boundary of the Arabian and African tectonic plates. These plates are slowly but constantly moving, and as they push and grind against each other, stress builds up along fault lines. When that stress is released, it results in an earthquake. This particular quake occurred in a region with a moderate level of seismic activity. Earthquakes of this magnitude are not uncommon of this part of Syria, where tectonic forces are always at play. The strength of an earthquake is measured by magnitude, but how people experience it depends on their distance from the epicenter and the depth of the quake. This modified Mercalli intensity scale help us understand this. In Salamiya, the shaking intensity was classified as moderate, enough to rattle windows and move furniture. In Hama, located 26 kilometers from the epicenter, the shaking was less intense, categorized as light further away. In Beirut, people reported only very weak shaking, categorized as 2 on the intensity scale. Syria, along with other countries in the region, lies in an active seismic zone, meaning earthquakes are always a possibility. Being prepared is crucial, as even moderate quakes can cause significant disruption depending on their location and depth. So, what should you do if you are in an earthquake? The key is to act fast. If you are indoors, remember to drop cover and hold on. Stay away from windows and things that could fall. If you are outside, move away from buildings, trees, and power lines. It's also important to have an emergency kit prepared. This should include water, food, a flashlight, a first aid kit, and other essential. Being prepared can make a big difference when sudden matter. As technology improves, our ability to monitor earthquakes and understand seismic activity is advancing. While we can't predict when the next earthquake will happen, real-time data from organizations and the European Mediterranean Seismological Center help us respond more quickly and accurately. The Gust 16 earthquakes near Salamiya is another reminder that the Earth is always in motion. Understanding the science behind events, these events help us to stay prepared and minimize risks. As always, stay safe and stay informed.